Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are interested in seeing how I make only the best rice water for extreme hair growth, then you have came to the right spot. So we are going to just jump right into it. So first off, let's go over a few supplies that you're going to need. You are going to need a bowl, a strainer, essential oils of your choice, a mason jar, ginger root. Ginger is very beneficial for the hair, and you're going to also need a blender. So the first thing we are going to do is the obvious. We are going to pour our rice into our bowl, which I have Tupperware, but it's all going to serve the same purpose. And we are going to rinse our rice. We're rinsing it because we want to get rid of all of that debris and all of that nasty stuff that comes with it from factories or wherever it's been through on its way to us. I'm sorry, y'all. I went to go drain the bad water from the rice. I will be right back. Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. And I just want to point out that I have way too much rice. You definitely do not need that much rice, and I ended up having to waste all that rice because I only put a little bit in my jar. So just if you're not using measurements, which I did not, just do not use that much rice. Now, what we are doing here, there is a term for this, but I don't know what it is. I'm just rubbing the rice between my hands, getting all of the nutrients and all of the good stuff out of it. And I'm doing this for about 4 minutes. Do not skip this process. It's very important. It's very beneficial. I am so sorry. You guys obviously can probably see that I'm just pouring the water in the bowl, but you can't really see. And I just want to apologize because you guys know I'm left-handed and I'm just uncoordinated. I got to get this right. Like camera on one side where you can see. Simple as that. And that's way too much water, so I'm just pouring some back in there. Now I'm just going to cut my ginger in slices, thick slices. I'm not going to peel mine. You can peel it should you choose to, but the skin, just like an apple, has a lot of nutrients in it. So I'm just going to keep my skin on. And now let's get to blending, baby. And we are just going to scoop what little rice we only needed into our jar. And you will see how much rice I wasted. So I repeat, you do not need much rice. Less is more. You don't necessarily need to use essential oils when using the ginger because the ginger itself will keep the smell to a minimum, the horrible rice water smell that we are all aware of. But I'm just using essential oils because I want to. And I am using peppermint oil, but you can use any one. And there we have it, our rice water with ginger that is very beneficial for extreme hair growth. A lot of people let this sit for 24 hours, but I'm going to let mine sit for a week. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.